Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. Customer has called me. This problem is DE error code. So see, its problem is DE error code. So if it is a DE error code Samsung, so we have to remove this PCB board. See, there are two screws we have to remove, and under this cover there are also two screws, so we have to remove, and back side also there are two screws we have to remove. Then after that we have to remove this cover like this, very easy. We have to remove this cover. See, there is sensor. Yeah, this is sensor, this door sensor. This door sensor has spoiled, so we'll bypass it. We'll cut and we'll join each other. Yeah, this is the sensor is spoiled, that's why it's giving error. Just we'll join it each other, then we'll tap it nicely. So we have to put extra tape for more secure. Then we have to, you just keep it there only, this wire, then fix it back. So let's see, spin mode, then start. So dear viewers, alhamdulillah, no more error code. Now water is draining and it's working also fine. And dear viewers, I have another washing machine, another model, and today's customer has called me same problem. This is also Samsung, so that's why I want to show you this washing machine also same problem, D error code. Then after I came here, see, this is the door sensor. Yeah, remove and cut it here. So you just join it each other, so then it will bypass, then your washing machine will work fine. After I bypass this both of washing machine, so alhamdulillah it's working very good. So it was problem only this door sensor, only this door sensor. So thank you dear viewers, you can bypass it this way, so very easy. Thank you.